people, what is going on? We are at like a whole new adventure today. We drove about 2 hours to the mountains, not really the mountains, but up north to Virginia, and we're fishing docks, green water, blue water on Smith Mountain Lake, Virginia. Hold on, jet ski. Okay, it's gonna be a freaking experience today. There's a ton of boats. We never fish this type of stuff, like crystal clear water, docks, wacky rigging type stuff, summer fishing. There's smallmouth, maybe spots, I'm not sure if there's spotted bass in here, and largemouth in here. And I think there is some tanks. There's even muskie in here, which is weird because we're not even that up north. But yeah, it's gonna be an experience today. We have absolutely no idea what way we could catch them today. It's probably gonna be on docks like this right in front of me, which Ben is fishing. But yeah, it's a huge lake. We're literally, let me show you guys this. This is just a cove of the lake. It's an absolutely massive lake, and we're gonna see what we can make happen. I have no clue what's gonna happen, but we're gonna see what we can make happen. Let's go, boys. Okay, we are approaching our first dock of the day. Wacky rig time. Just try not to hit it. So the tactic we're doing here, I learned this from fishing my first ever fishing tournament, like about last year, this kind of time. We were out on Lake Hickory, which is like a lake really similar to this. And the tactic in the summer is to just daydream. That's what people were saying. Just sit on these docks with your wacky rig and drop shots and just daydream. Just work that bait and sit there and sit there until you get bit. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, is that a fish? Yep, fish on. Oh my God, that was the tiniest fish I've ever seen in my entire life. That was just a micro bass. Ben, I just took like a micro bass under this thing. Is that a fish? Yep, that is a fish. Oh my God, that's a big one. Yeah, a nice one, dude. Yep, nice fish, bro. Nice fish. Yeah, nice fish, dude. Bro, that's a nice fish. Oh crap. Oh crap, got light line. Oh crap. Holy guacamole, brosif. Bro, he's nice. He's not like 4 pounds or anything, but bro, he's nice. Bro, he's healthy, dude. Smallmouth, bro. That's a nice smallie. Oh, dude. Are you kidding me? Dude, that was right under the dock. Are you kidding me? Dude, that is so sick. Oh my God, look at that fish. Dude, that feels like such a strong fish. Look at that fish, guys. Look how beautiful that fish is. That came under the dock. He put up like a whole 45-second fight, and it's such a beauty. Dude, that's my first fish, and it's a smallmouth. That's what we were looking for today. It's only about a pound, but here, let's let him go. Oh my God, absolute beautiful fish. Under the frickin' dock. He's absolutely slammed the wacky rig. He kind of just sat there with it under the dock. And so then he just started fighting, and I was like, oh, this is a fish. And he started ripping drag. That's why I fought so hard, because it was a smallie. Dude, under the dock right there, that's so cool. Try and get it underneath this frickin' boat dock. boat garage. There's gotta be something under there. Yes, we're back in there. Alright, let's keep moving. We're gonna get shot. This is a couple of sketchy docks, honestly. We got the bottom half to a pontoon boat, a slide on a platform that under there's probably barbed wire and shotguns, and a boat that looks like it holds hostages. Yeah, exactly. Let's keep moving. Wow, that was quite the skip. I'm not gonna lie. Fish on. Yep. Just a little largy. Just a dink. Yeah, dude, that was the first cast under this dock. Second fish. Ow. Ooh, he really poked me there. Second fish, just a little dinky largemouth. He was way back in that dock. He's tiny. He looks ratched up, too. All right, swim off. Oh, uh-oh. Should I just go down there? I see it.
Oh, you sad?
Yeah. I'm scared of the spiders, though. Can you get it for me? I'm terrified. What could be under here? I don't really want to find out. Ugh, it looks really clean, I'm not gonna lie. I just don't want to go under there. Alright, we're sending it. Oh, I hate this so much. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, we're going under. Oh my god, we're under this person's dock. Mission successful. Let's get out of here. Oh my god. I got it. That was ridiculous. You're under me. So reel it up real quick. Oh, I got fish on. Oh yeah, he let go. He's just here. I think I'm about to be on you. Oh no, yeah, I was just getting bit. I never set the hook. He was really small, I think. Let's each hit like 2 more of these and then we'll like hit the main like docks. Oh, that's a fish. Fish on. Nice largy. Yep, largemouth. Not big, but well, actually a nice quality. Get away from the dock. No, he's about a pound or pound and a half. He's not that big. Hey, but he's a fish. Dang, these fish fight hard for their size. There we freaking go. Oh my god, he's fat, bro. All right, try and stay quiet because there could be a couple more on this dock. But yes, that's third fish of the day. Second, like, real fish, but third fish of the day. Look at how he ate that thing. I didn't even give him a lot of time. Pops out. Wow, that is a freaking healthy fish. All right, let's get him back. Right under the dock again. Wacky rig. Feisty little guy. He just took it and started pulling away, so I set the hook, didn't give him much time to eat it. He still slammed that thing. Let's freaking go. Third fish under the dock. Oh, what the? Oh my god, dude, right behind me. Bait is getting absolutely lit up. Dude. What the frick just went down? Oh my god, hold on. Come on. Eat the underspin. Dude, bait was just getting lit up by fish. Come on. Oh my god, is that it? All under me? Did I just see a huge bait ball just go under me? I think I did. What the frick? I could barely tell, but I think a giant bait ball just swam right under my boat. Yeah, I'm gonna throw around the underspin too. Yeah, it's like on the outside of the docks. Any luck on that dock? No bites? Yeah, just work that thing and just keep your eyes peeled. It's pretty loud hits. Got one? On the, oh dude, that's a big one, bro. He's not huge, but dude, that's, oh, what the heck? He looked so big when he jumped. Was that on the jerkbait? That is on the jerkbait. Dude, it might actually be like moving bait time. It's definitely not a bad one.
Oh, dude, oh, there we go. He hit that thing so hard. When he jumped, he looked like 4 pounds.
Dude, he did. He looked huge when he jumped.
I don't know why that mouth looks so big, but it's just so small. I cast it right on these rocks too. But it's a nice little chunky bass for me. I get this bite back to where he was.
Wow, bro. Pissed off. No, dude, like they're starting to chase the bait, bro. Might be moving bait. That was like your second cast with the
giant waves were coming through, and I was like, I'm about to reel this in.
Dude, that was like your second cast with the jerk bait too, right?
Alright, well, I gotta swap this out for the sharks.
Wow, this is a really cool area. This looks like saltwater, bro. That's radical. All right, come on, Ben, let's go. All right, this might be my last cast at Smith Mountain Lake. Ready? Last cast. Oh, it's a good one too. Let it sink for about 10 seconds. Come on. Last cast fish. Hold on a second. That looks too juicy to not cast. I'm sorry. But we gotta take one more. Right in between there. There's gotta be a fish under that dock. Alright, that's it. That's it for Smith Mountain Lake. It's pretty darn dope.